Whoa, wait. Here at Greg's, you get to keep your firstborn.
At Greg's, we are here to service your Asian auto needs. We are family owned and operated and have been in business for over 27 years. We have 8 locations throughout the Puget Sound area. Greg's is here for your vehicle services as well as unexpected auto needs and offers short-term financing, including 90 days, same as cash. Come in and apply today. 90 days, same as cash is quick and easy with approval in minutes. We speak your car's language.
When it comes to service, we speak your car's language. Greg's Japanese Auto, we speak your car's language.
Greg's Japanese Auto.